sky be any more ridiculous, guys? It's gorgeous. The shining light on the grass. Having another gin and tonic. So now, this is getting a little out of control. Where are the people now? Good morning. You're awfully rough.
Heading to breakfast.
Our first full day here. Like yesterday was basically all about Super Bowl. So like, you know, and plus we didn't get here till late. So today, like, begins amazingness.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait till you see the piles of sand that drift around.
The sand, it's like not even like sand. That's even like it.
Sand is soft, huh?
Not even like sand.
She's gone off to try the water. Like the sand?
Look at the view. I can't wait to walk all over there because who knows where you'll end up. It's amazing.
Okay, should we go get our bathing suits on?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So Chris is in love with his new Tommy Bahama shorts. He's like, I would recommend these to everybody, Ann.
They're good. I had to search around forever.
Okay. And why do you like them so much? Tell everybody.
Because they're comfy and light, and they have good pockets, and they have like a drawstring waist so they don't fall off.
They look soft.
Yeah, they are soft.
Oh my gosh. He's like, everyone should have a pair of these. I was like, you are hilarious.
That's why I bought 2 pairs.
Oh yeah, and then he's got this. This is new.
This is my new sun cover up for if I'm on the beach.
Oh, and it looks good for sleeping on the beach.
Yeah.
So where did you get that one?
I got this.
Don't tell me that's a TJ Maxx job.
No, this is TJ Maxx.
Stop!
Yeah.
That's TJ Maxx.
Yeah, both of them. I got an Adidas one too.
It's nice.
So like when it gets windy later and we want to like get all sleepy on the beach.
You're looking the part.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the beach.
Okay.
Check it out. Good stuff, right? The best. Ready for dinner. We're going to a place called the Dolphin Grill.
Yeah.
And it's down yonder, and we're gonna walk there along the beach and hope that we find it. Wish us luck. It's supposed to have an amazing view of the sunset, so let's go.
Yep.
We're hungry. So this is our backyard. So this is our place we're living, and then this is our backyard. Kind of insane. Could the sky be any more ridiculous, guys? It's gorgeous.
Look at the shining light on the grass.
The shining light on the grass. Shining light on the grass. Look at all the people on the beach. Oh my God, it's packed. Wow. Traffic is crazy. I don't know if we're gonna get there in time. The beach is packed. So many people.
I found my boat, guys. Look. Is that my boat or my steps? I don't know what that is.
Guys, okay, look behind.
No persons.
We found it. Look at that huge rock. Crazy.
Pool looks a little shallow.
Right?
This place must have had a big hit in the hurricane.
We found it, guys. So we're eating dinner here in the sunset view. Look at that crazy rock. Sunset. Amazing. And they said there were whales there a few minutes ago. I might have to just, I don't know, eat and then come check out the This is fabulous. So we're eating dinner right up here and I guess whales. I came down to see if I could see any, but look at the sunset. See how it's going down right behind me. Oh my goodness. What a place. Wow. Thumbs up for this amazing sunset. Insane. Crazy good. Packed, huh? How's your view?
Nice view.
Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Guys, if you ever get the chance to come to South Caicos and Turks and Caicos, oh my gosh, look, it looks like I have a really cool earring on. Oh wait, a light up earring. You should come. Having another gin and tonic. Our food's here. Look what Chris got.
Fried shrimp, baked potato, and conch fritters.
I'm gonna have to have some of those.
Yeah, and some conch fritters.
So now, this is getting a little out of control. Where are the people now?
No, you're not scared.
Look at the sparkles all over your shirt from my crystal jewelry. Okay, so your shirt is like out of control and I think it's from my necklace.
Maybe.
My necklace?
Maybe. I don't know.
Look at the spots on you from my necklace. This is, oh, bug.
Can we go?
So we just had dinner. It was kind of sketchy, I would say. Sketch factor,
but the conch
5.
fritters were good.
Conch fritters were amazing. I had pizza that could have used a little bit more sauce. But we have lunch for tomorrow. We have sauceless pizza for lunch tomorrow. So we are trying to find, look guys, look how dark it is. We're heading this way.
And I am actually shining the light.
Yeah, we're heading that way. He's like, I have arranged a ride. Oh, where are we? I have arranged a ride for you back to your hotel. And we were like, you know what? We're gonna walk. We walked here, we're gonna walk back. We're so adventurous.
Yeah.
It's his last night being 39. Happy birthday to this guy. Happy birthday. Look at the jewelry sparkles.
Okay, I know. Can we keep going?
How old are you gonna be?
40.
Big 40.
Yeah.
Look at the jewelry sparkles. It's out of control. Look at that. That's all coming from my necklace.
Yeah. Okay.
They're on my face. Okay, we're gonna go to the beach. We'll see you soon.